here was the hallway, and here's an elevator in my room, and this is the Pacific Coast Highway 1. Use this bag when you go out to the beach, and you could use the towel. So this is pretty big. Okay, hair dryer is not too bad. It's not Dyson, but this will do. California right now is very hot, so I chose to stay in Malibu because here it's a little bit cooler than the other parts in California while I'm staying here. And this hotel is right next to Aviator Nation, which is my favorite sweatshirt store, so I could just walk there or walk across the pier and then just feel the breeze when it's like so hot outside. Or you could sit down here, or you could lay down in this hammock and just rest and just feel the cool breeze and relax, and you could read. And the best thing about this hotel is a very easy walking distance from outside, so you could go down all the way Highway 1, and then you could go up, and you could go up to the Topanga Canyon, or you could go down and then go to Santa Monica or Venice. Hearing the Highway 1 and the beach, and the sun is setting down. Provide you with a knife. What I really like about this hotel is that everything is just walking distance, and I love walking and running. So if you like to walk, then you could just go across this Highway 1, and there's the beach and the cafes and a lot of eateries, and there's the pier, so you could just walk along the pier and you'll see several restaurants and cafes again, and you could walk north and the south from here. So I would come back if I wanna be left alone from the whole crew of people. One downside is that they don't have a gym here. So what you could do, you could go surfing and they teach you how to surf. So there are instructors. So you could simply go to the lobby and ask for it. Or you could get the yoga mat from the front desk and then you could do yoga in your room. Or you could run along the beach. Or you could walk. There's so many things you could do. This is better if you wanna just rest and see the beach and feel the ocean. So let's check out the beach area.